everybody, it's Tim with Highmark Communication again, and today I'd like to show you how to register a XT1 headset to the XT1 base station. The first step that you need to do is grab your XT1 headset. You'll know it's an XT1 because it'll have silver around the buttons. It'll say 3M usually, and the first step is to put the battery in the headset. Of course, you just set the battery in like so, and it clicks in at the top here. With the battery in the headset, the next thing I need to do is get the base station registration mode. I can do that by pressing the mode button once, then I press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I press the mode button again. At this point, you'll see it'll say installer ID 1 right here on the screen. That means that you got it right. If it doesn't, just try again. Just hit mode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mode again. Then once you see the installer ID 1, you're going to press mode again. It'll say, maybe say optional timer not installed. That simply means you don't have a timer plugged into it. If you press mode again, it'll say either greeter menu or greeter not installed. Don't worry if it says it's not installed. That means you just don't have that function. And if you press one more time, you'll be at the system menu. Now you'll see choice number 4, registration, in the upper right hand corner here. We can navigate to that by using the arrow keys. So I'll hit the right arrow key, move the cursor over to the registration, and press enter. At that point in time, you have 3 choices. You can add a headset, you can remove a headset that you don't have anymore, or you can list all the headsets that you have in case you want to know how many are in the system. This particular base station can remember up to 20 headsets. If you have more than 20, then you will need to erase some of the old headsets out to make room for the new ones. I'll cover that in a future video on how to clear the memory on this particular base station. So now, to go ahead and register the headset, I simply press enter under add a headset. And at this point in time, I will use the power button, which is right here, and turn the headset on. Now, after a few moments, you'll notice that the headset will go to a green blinking light. That's the headset trying to find the base station. So they're talking to each other, trying to get on the same page. As soon as the green blinking light goes out and you have the solid green light that you see here, that means that headset's registered to the system and it's ready to be used. So, it's working. So at that point in time, to get out of this part of the menu, you just have to hit mode 1, 2, 3 times and back to your lane status screen, and you have successfully registered a headset. Thanks and have a great day.